may come in, yeah, I agree with Katie, and obviously Aberdeen's going to need a very targeted approach, reskilling into the transition for workers in offshore wind, CCS, hydrogen. I think the pace of the projects as they happen is going to be really critical in how that plays out. I've mentioned our pilot program, so again there are things that you can do here to actually make sure that we avoid the job gaps. I think someone mentioned Teesside and Humber, key industrial cluster for hydrogen and for CCS, and that's going to be subject to project timescales as well. That's going to need rapid expansion of the workforce, cross-skilling. So again, there are things we can do. I mentioned our regional skills hub initiative up at Catch on Humberside. That's putting capacity in the system so that we train more new entrants to come in, again, to smooth out the gaps that Tracy mentioned. And nuclear as well. Nuclear is really, really important in needing continued investment in skills so that we can not only support what's going on at Hinkley Point, but also the transfer across to Sizewell C over time, where there's huge projects going on. And with that in mind, Tim and I, back in January, signed a skills charter with the East Suffolk District Council and Suffolk County Council and with Sizewell C so that we can start to plan long term for what the skills map's going to look like over the next 10-15 years at Sizewell. So.
Yeah, sorry.